believe it or not, it's really warm.
It's warm. It's humid.
It is humid. So we're headed to our transportation to the Santa Barbara Beach Resort, which is supposed to be incredible. So we're gonna check it out.
Whoop whoop.
So we'll check back with you
when we're on the bus.
When we're on the bus, or when we get to the resort. So we found our
ride.
We found our lady.
So when you come to Curaçao, if you do the resort for the day, you've got to go to the security desk past this.
By the gate, because that's where she was. Now we're standing outside the gate, and there's a street here called Governor van Slobweg. So interesting name. Dutch, obviously. So anyway, we'll get on our bus or shuttle or whatever we're taking. The wheels on the bus go.
Oh, come
on. We made it on the bus.
That's a good thing.
Van, bus. It's more like a van.
We're at Santa Barbara Beach Club Resort. We're checking in. It's really pretty. All right, we're going to dinner. We're leaving Curaçao. Very beautiful downtown picture, but I'm going to talk about well, we're going to dinner eventually. We're going to go to Alchemy, then go to dinner. So anyway, we're here to talk about my outfit of the day. I am wearing an Evans jumpsuit. I got this from my trunk club. My stylist Cece has pockets and a tie, and it's very flowery and vacation-y. And I've got on my black Tommy Hilfiger sandals because my feet are sore and swollen, so I went with a comfortable sandal. My new bracelet my hubby bought me, my Pandora bracelet. Just a real simple Kate Spade earrings. And this is just a necklace I had that was pink. And that is it, my friends. It's pretty casual tonight because I'm tired and yeah, we've had a long day. So tomorrow is a sea day, and we'll check back with you later today when we're done with dinner or what we're doing at Alchemy or tonight. That's it. Bye.
Little hangy things you put on the coat hangers?
Like the little straps.
Yeah.
My arm was in one of them. I couldn't get it off. I had to break it. Ladies, don't wear jumpsuits to dinner if you're going to drink anything. Because they're really hard to get off to go to the bathroom.
You see, this is what happens when you have pre-dinner cocktails. Right here. This is what happens.
Oh my God.
Oh, by the way, don't I look smart tonight with the glasses? Looks can be deceiving, but... Bathroom escapades. Kimberly's eating bread.
I'm hungry. And cheers. Oh.
That's right. Cheers.
You have the 40s, the new 20, and I have the French kiss.
That's right.
Say cheers, everyone. And please do a lot of editing. Don't make me look bad.
It's all going in. The pea story and all.
No. There's a little leakage.
Happens when you get old.
For sure. Okay. What are we going to have to eat?
So, escargot, which Kimberly will not eat.
Nope.
Not every day you can eat a snail. And then after dinner, I'm going to give her a big kiss.
In the casino.
Apparently in the casino. After we go to the club.
I love you. Day 7, Curaçao. Whoop, 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 whoop. So, honey, what was the highlight of your day? In Curaçao.
Well, probably going over the bridge.
Yes, we went over the longest bridge in the Caribbean.
It is the longest bridge in the Caribbean.
It connects two very far points together.
Yeah.
We went to the Santa Barbara Beach Club.
Santa Barbara Beach Resort, something like that.
Yeah, which was pretty far from the port. It was about a good 30-minute drive.
Yeah, it was about 30 minutes. The resort's like very remote.
Right.
We spent the day hanging around the pool. There's 2 pools.
Yeah, they were pretty good sized pools.
And they were good sized pools. The grounds were beautiful.
Pretty birds.
Oh yeah, birds, like these
very
amazingly beautiful birds, yellow and orange, and
they're all over.
Yeah, they were all over.
Lots of butterflies. Iguanas.
Yeah, iguanas. So
yeah.
We had some food there. The food was
so it was like bar food.
It was kind of like upscale bar food.
Drinks were flowing. They were nice.
Drinks were good. Didn't really drink a bunch, but what I had was good.
Would you go back there?
I probably would not.
I probably wouldn't either.
And it's not because of the resort. The resort was very nice. It's just because of the access to the ocean. There's just not really good access to the ocean there. And for me to stay at a resort in the Caribbean, I want like easy access to the water.
Right.
So that was kind of the day. We had dinner tonight in the main dining room, which you've obviously, if you've made it to the end, you've seen that. And thank you again for making it to the end.
Thumbs up, subscribe.
That's right. Thumbs up and subscribe. We did, before dinner tonight, we spent time in the Alchemy Bar, which
whoop, whoop. Alchemy Bar.
Again, if you've made it to the end of this video, you've seen our time in the Alchemy Bar, where the bartender, Daniel, let me actually tripod the camera and film him making some drinks.
I got you in the casino.
Oh yeah, that's actually what we did. We didn't come back to the room. We went to the casino tonight for a little while. Went and played blackjack, put $100 down, sat there for about 20 minutes, and walked away with 165. And I'm perfectly happy with that. If I walk away with 100 after starting with 100, I'm perfectly happy with that. I'm still a winner.
Winner, chicken dinner.
That's right. Tomorrow is Throwback Day.
Yeah, 80s.
It's like an 80s throwback day.
Right.
And what they do is they kind of turn the ship into what it was like to cruise in the 80s on Carnival. So we get a Carnival capers, and they do all kinds of different old school games that they used to play. Anyway, enough. We will
go to bed and talk to them later.
That's right. We're going to bed and we'll talk to you later.
All right, give me a kiss. Mwah. Love you.
Love you.